International Exhibition and Convention Center in Shanghai, right where the China International Industrial Fair has been held. The latest industrial technology and the most cutting-edge industrial products are all shown here for everyone to see. LaserMen, as a leading brand in laser industry, has also been invited to exhibit. So follow my camera and let's take a closer look in CIIF 2025.
As one of the world's highest events of the industry exhibition, the all-exhibition industry has 8 halls, and the laser industry exhibition is located in 2.1 halls. Okay, let's go. Here we are, LaserMen booth. You could see that for this exhibition, we brought out our latest R&D achievements in laser equipment and higher level laser application technologies. We have our 9-in-1 laser processing system, which works with our air-cooled laser welding machine. It integrates 9 functions, including welding, cutting, rust removal, and engraving apps. It's also the centerpiece of our exhibition area, whether for the industry peers or potential customers. It's for curiosity and surprise. I don't want to throw a bunch of technical specs at you, but I can tell you this. Its cutting position is plus or minus 10 microns. This is plus or minus 0.01 millimeter.
As an international industrial expo, whether you are here to learn about technological applications or experience future tech, you can get a taste of it all right here. Shanghai National Exhibition and Convention Center, come on down right here.